Sometimes when your Instagram likes may be gone, or you might not be able to, you want to hide those likes, but you might not be able to do that, and you don't have this feature to disable likes on your Instagram post. What you can do is, first you go to your Play Store or your App Store, you search for Instagram and you'll update this app. So as you can see, my app is up to date, but if you've not updated your app for some time now, you need to update the app, because in the older versions there are some bugs that is, once you update the app, will be gone. So the other thing that you might want to do is go to your Instagram app, and here you go to your profile and then you go to settings, and in your settings you have this option of if you're under privacy, and you can see this post option, and you have this hide like and view count. So you can toggle this on, your like count will be hidden. But if you do not see this toggle option, you might also be able to check on your post here. If you click on these triple buttons over there, you have this hide like count option. If you do not have this, consider restarting the app one more time and checking it again, and you might have this feature on your settings. So if you go to privacy, you might now be able to see the post, and you might be able to see this hide like and view count toggle button. If you do not have that still, you might try restarting your phone. This might help you to get this option, this toggle feature. But if none of these options work for you, if none of these solutions work for you, what you can do is go to settings, then under help you go to report a problem and click on report a problem, and here you will explain that you cannot hide your like and view counts for your post, and you click submit this report. Instagram support will get back to you within 48 to 72 hours, and this might help you solve your problem.